Okay, we're going to lubricate the rollers on our slide outs. This is our biggest one. It is 12 foot long. It has 5 rollers on it. And what I'm going to go with is, I like WD-40s, they're specialist category. The dry lube I have on the right on top of the bucket. And then PB Blaster makes an excellent product called dry lube also. You have this nice weather seal. When it's closed up, it should be right against the fifth wheel. You shouldn't have a lot of road grime, but still, you know how things go. If you look at the fit along here, you got little brackets and support pieces. It's going to prevent a 100% seal. The idea there is you'd never want to use a lubricant that will leave any kind of a residue, like an oil or any kind of a grease. This dry lube, it's really wet, but it's a carrier agent, and that carrier agent will evaporate, leaving only behind the dry lube. Usually it's PTFE, some kind of Teflon. I think PB Blaster now is making their own proprietary replacement for PTFE. But then after the carrier evaporates, you have good quality lubricant up in the rollers, and that's where it needs to be. I'll just do a couple of them to give you an idea. The first one we're going to use, we'll go ahead and try the WD-40, the dry lube. Of course, there's going to be a little pressure on them. Rollers don't do all the work, but their design and intent is to aid the wear bar. So there is pressure on them, so that's why it is necessary and essential to keep them lubricated. Any kind of an oil or grease that would leave a residue on that, you're just going to have a mess over here in due time. I'm just going to go on top. These are split rollers. I'm going to get the middle pretty good. PB Blaster has a ball in the can. The WD Specialist, the dry lube, did not. I found that odd. You still got to shake the heck out of it. And don't worry so much about the liquid. That's all going to evaporate. I took a big piece of black plastic and sprayed both of these products on it and waited maybe 30 minutes or an hour, and the liquid was completely evaporated. And the good news is it did not leave a white residue. A lot of these dry lubes will leave a real white residue behind it. Typically, I think that's the Teflon or PTFE. I don't know what these are using, but there's no residue. And it is definitely non-sticky. When it dries, it's just got a light, slick feeling to it. I noticed the PB Blaster does drip off white, but when it dried, I assure you, it was not white. And also I noticed something different. On the PB Blaster, they're calling it advanced dry lube. So it might be their new formula that is proprietary to them. But I think it's a good product anyway. They've been around forever. Take care of your slide out rollers, guys, and they'll take care of you. Hey, travel safe out there. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.